Welcome back into this new video, guys, of Express. If you wanted to connect your Namecheap domain to a Wix website, you are into the right place. I'm going to be showing you how to do this process in a very easy way. So the first thing to do, of course, is to connect your Namecheap domain to Wix. So you got a domain from Namecheap and it's signed on Wix. Now let's get them synced up. The process actually is going to be really easily. So the first thing to do, of course, is to make sure that you have starting the process with the Wix. So first you go to Wix dashboard, and here I wanted to go and make sure that I currently have the website I wanted to be working on. For example, let's say that I focused for this one and I have now the panel dashboard of my specific website. Now I want to click into the settings that appears into my website, which in this case would be appearing here. Let's say settings, and I scroll all my way down until I find the site and domain and CEO and go for domains. Directly here into the domains here, what I wanted to do is to choose the option to connect a domain you already own. In my case, let's say that I currently have a specific domain that I would like to add directly inside here. For this, I wanted to go and copy and paste the domain I currently have. So we have an actual domain directly here into GoDaddy, but still the process into Namecheap is exactly the same. Just copy and paste your domain here into the option that says let's go, and it might be telling you that this domain is already been taken. That's okay because we own this domain. So I'm going to click into the option that says yes, I own this domain. In order to continue, this will be asking you to have an actual premium plan into Wix in order to continue. If you don't, you need to make the upgrade right away. So click into the option in my case that says upgrade, and here what you wanted to do is to choose the option that best suits for yourself. For example, this one, have the linked basic element. You can compare the plan features and just select that element and go for continue with the actual checkout. Once you have now successfully done this process, usually Wix will try to see if it can auto connect, and basically you don't have to do absolutely anything else. But if this one actually didn't work, you need to go to the manual setup. So Wix will now show you two name servers records. You wanted to copy these name servers records that appears into Wix, and you wanted to paste them directly inside your Namecheap. For this, I wanted to go into my Namecheap, which in my case here is select your domain list and go for DNS. Into DNS, you wanted to find your DNS registers. Here, what I need to do is to look out for name servers and just copy and paste the domain list and manage here the name servers drop down. You wanted to paste the records you copied from Wix earlier. They usually look like this. It should be from Wix, it should be like ns1 or 2.wixdns.net.com, something like that, or just .net. So this is the most important part, because click that little green check mark. If you don't click it, Namecheap won't save your changes. Now, if you prefer pointing your elements because you have a professional email elsewhere, you want to go to the DNS tab instead, and make sure that you have built a Wix template which can be applied and automatically set the A and C name records for you. To just only pick one, either use the name server method with it first or use the template. Doing both will confuse the internet and breaks your site. So trust me, you don't want to do that. So lastly, you want to make the verification on the propagation. Tell Wix you have made the changes. It will now begin the verification process. It can take anywhere from 1 to 48 hours for the world to see your site. Now it usually takes about an hour. If you see the non-secure warning, it's just Wix generating your SSL. So change the custom DNS, paste your Wix links, and click the green check mark. Your Namecheap domain is now live into Wix. If you are stuck on the SSL pending for more than a day, check the DNSSEC is turned off into Namecheap, and you're good to go. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and well, hopefully we came up with more videos like this. Thank you, and see you next time.